99.99% of the time, none of us are really truly thinking at all. It's pretty impressive, but it's kind of funny too. So we love this song, so we're going to sing this for you.
Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping that you see when I was sleeping, and a vision that was hiding in that rain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, in the hill of a street lamp, I turned my collar to the cooling down, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light, the slipping light, and just the sound of silence, and with my naked eye I saw 10,000 people, maybe more, people talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never shared, and no one dared disturb the sound of silence. Those that I do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell, echo in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon of day, and the sun flashed out its warning in the words of your voice.